ready to potentially turn a small investment into a consistent $100 daily profit with crypto, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive into Binance copy trading and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, head over to Binance and log into your account if you don't have one. You'll need to create one and complete the verification process. Once you're in, navigate to the derivatives section and find copy trading. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of traders you can copy. The key here is choosing wisely. Don't just pick the one with the highest ROI. Focus on metrics like ROI, which shows their overall return, P&L or profit and loss, copiers, indicating popularity, and max drawdown, which represents the highest loss they've experienced. A lower drawdown suggests better risk management. Click on a trader to view their detailed profile, analyze their trading history, what coins they're trading, and their strategy. Do they align with your risk tolerance? Once you've found a trader you like, click copy. You'll need to decide how much you want to invest. Binance offers two options: fixed amount, where you allocate a set amount to each of the traders' trades, and fixed ratio, where you allocate funds in proportion to the leaders. For beginners, I suggest starting with the fixed amount and a small amount like $200,500. This is crucial. Set your risk management parameters. Set a stop loss to automatically close your positions if the trade goes against you, and take profit to secure your earnings. Don't skip this step. After setting everything, click confirm. You can now monitor your copy trades in your portfolio. Keep an eye on the trades and the overall performance. Remember, copy trading isn't a guaranteed path to riches. It requires careful selection, risk management, and continuous monitoring. Review your traders regularly and adjust your strategy as needed. With the right approach, that $100 a day goal could be within reach. Good luck.